Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here are Forticept's hip and joint supplement for dogs. My big girl Athena was recently diagnosed with hip dysplasia, and I really needed a great supplement to give her to make her comfortable and also keep her active. And so the Forticept hip and joint is wonderful. The two main ingredients that are really going to promote the joint health, the lubrication, bone strength, muscle strength, all of that you want are the glucosamine and the chondroitin. And this supplement has both of these in it, along with a lot of other really great minerals and vitamins for your dog. Unfortunately, our dogs age and they need a good supplement to keep them active, to keep them happy, and we want that for our dogs. I couldn't recommend this enough. My dog thinks these are a treat. She does not know that they are a vitamin for her. And so I put them in her food, or if she's coming in from going to the bathroom, I'll give her one. And she is so happy to get these. So she loves them. She loves the flavor. They are a soft supplement. So maybe you have a senior dog. It's nothing hard that they're not going to be able to chew. They can easily get these down. And she looks like the dog right here on the picture, waiting for her supplement. It's a wonderful product, and more importantly, it's great for your dog. Even if they don't have problems now, it's something that you can give them to maintain and to keep them healthy. But that's just my point of view.